Hi all! Just wanted to share with you a quick protocol for building some courage. As most of you know, I am a life coach, and in my coaching practice, I really ask people to step out of their comfort zones, to do something bigger with their life, which is what most of us are yearning to do deep down inside, but fear keeps us stuck. So to take these steps, whatever steps they need to take, can be a little scary. But luckily we've got the oils that we can fall back on. So I want to share with you the protocol I use when I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, which I happen to be doing right now. Yes, I expect the same scary steps of myself that I expect of all of you as well. So here are the oils you can use. First, starting at the bottom, you want something to ground you, to help build courage that can help you feel rooted, because creating change in your life, doing things that changes your life, can be unsettling, and the grounding can help you feel a little bit safer. My most favorite is Valor. We all love Valor, right? Valor not only helps ground our energies, it also builds courage specifically. So it's a really nice one to fall back on. I like to put it on my feet, and specifically I will put it on my feet right before bed. I also use either or. I mean, sometimes I use them both, sometimes I just do one or the other. Grounding, also one of my very favorite oils. This is one that I use with my son as well, who needs some grounding sometimes. So this is a nice one. A third one you can use is Sacred Mountain. I don't have that one. I know that's also a nice one that a lot of people use. Then on the other end, so those are at the bottom, you put those at the feet to help you stay grounded, but you also want to stay connected, if you will, to your higher ideals, your higher purpose, to that grand scheme that's calling you to step into something that's uncomfortable. So for that, my favorite one is Highest Potential. In fact, this one, I'll tell you, I carry with me all the time. Those who know me well, this does not surprise you, I'm sure. Every day, I am looking to live my highest potential. That is my purpose in life. I think it's all of our purpose in life, though. So Highest Potential, and what I will do is literally put a drop on the crown of the head. Sometimes I just smell it and I connect. You know, why am I doing this? Why am I creating this discomfort? Instead of focusing on the actual discomfort that is being created because of what I'm doing, what I want to do is connect to the higher reason. You know, because what I'm doing right now isn't good enough anymore. You know, I really want to do something more and step up in life. Then finally, there's one other oil I wanted to share with you. And this one is, if whatever change you're making is a pretty big shift for you, the one I'm doing right now is, I'm definitely breaking through a pretty big wall that I've had for myself for a long time. I love transformation. So transformation is a really nice one for helping you make that shift from what was to what is. You know, I just noticed all of those oils have purple labels. Isn't that interesting? They're all similar shades too. Maybe there's a reason for that. All right, I hope this helps all of you make the changes that you want to make. You gotta love Young Living essential oils. They affect us on all levels. Let's take advantage of them. Have a great day, and may you be inspired to live your extraordinary life. Take care.